Banua.
My name is Talentega Lovandia.
My name is Gracia Banua.
Today we will tell how to make ice cream. And
Everybody guys! Today is very hot.
I'm sweating.
Why don't we make ice cream?
Yeah, ice cream.
Ingredients: Tugas, sugar, ice, and hot water. Tools: smooth and dry.
Put some hot water into a glass. Scaling, remind the thick bag into the glass. Put some 2 teaspoons of sugar into a glass.
Mix well.
And then put ice into a glass of the thick.
Finally, the ice cream ready to be served. Fresh.
Yeah, that's right.
And sweet.
Yes.